Welcome to Tackett's House of Winter Wonderland. I'm your host, Steve Tackett, and we did not do any work in the garage this weekend. No wrenching was done. Instead, we tried to stay warm and dry. It's now Sunday. Yesterday was pretty good. Today, it's just ice. Yeah, this is kind of new for us. The news was saying freezing rain, and I was like, wait a minute, isn't freezing rain? You hear that? That's Oliver walking on a sheet of ice. The yard is just ice. The whole thing is ice. And anyways, the news is like, freezing rain. I'm like, isn't freezing rain snow? Isn't that the definition of snow? And no, it's, oh my God, Oliver, he's gonna fall through. Oh man, it's anyway, I'll take some shots. I'll show you what we're dealing with. First of all day long today, let me flip the camera around, hang on. So, freezing rain, yes. It kind of comes down. We had to drive somewhere yesterday, and you're not supposed to. And Oliver's walking around out there. Scout's like, nope, she's not doing it. But it kind of reminded me of like a sandstorm. Like the rain was coming down and hit the windshield of the car, and it looks like sand. It doesn't look like snow. So I was like, okay, I get it now. Freezing rain, got it. But here's the problem. The trees are full of ice, and the tree branches are so covered in ice that they keep snapping off everywhere. I got tree branches everywhere. Every couple minutes you hear a loud pop and then crash. So all the trees are just bending down. You see it? So, because they're so heavy. We did lose power. We had a power outage today, Sunday. And one of the neighbors down the street posted on social media, and you could see one of his tree branches, same thing, pop, snap, comes down, landed on the power line. He's having trouble walking. Be careful, Oliver. It's like... He's not used to it. He's from Arizona too. He has lived his whole life in Arizona. So, anyway, let me take a few pictures. Take a look at the house. That's ice. Tree branches down. I don't think the fence got any more damage. There's a few big ones over there, but I think they missed the fence. Anyways, you got to see the cars. Watch this. Ooh, the wind is blowing and it is freezing cold. So check this out. Hold on, let me shut this before it flies off the hinges. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to bust my rear end. Oh yeah, I'm in flip-flops. If I slip and fall, oh man. Yeah, this is I'm gonna fall. Oh man, this is all ice. Anyway, take a look at the cars. Oh wow, I'm gonna fall. Oh wow, look at this. Look at Oki. Oh man, look at Oki. Wow. I can't break it. Wow. Okay. All of the cars are covered in ice. So, this is what an ice storm looks. Oh wow. Look at the 63. That's crazy. If the camera's shaking, it's because I'm freezing cold. I'm in flip-flops, pajama pants, a t-shirt. I'm dressed for this. Tree branches everywhere. Man, good thing I got that new chainsaw. I can hardly hold the camera. My hands are shaking. Look at the front of this car. Oh man, it's so bad. So this is an ice storm. It's not as fun as snow. I can tell you that. I would not try to drive on this. Those are all icicles. You can't really tell, but that's behind it. Oh, wow. It's really, really slippery. But you can see all the trees are just so heavy. And the power lines, they're heavy. There's icicles up there on the power lines too. So they're really, really heavy. Anyway, I can't be out here much longer. I'm freezing. But, hold on, let me flip the camera around. Okay, I gotta get back inside. But that's why we didn't shoot a video this week. I'm gonna fall. I can't hold the camera anymore. So there's no video this week. I'm gonna try and go up these steps without falling. Okay. Wow. I can't hold the camera anymore. All right, I'm going back inside. But thank you for watching. Please hit like and comment and subscribe and send me some vibes. Wow. I'm going back inside. What else I want to say? Oh yeah, stickers. If you want stickers, send me a email with your name and address, and I'll send you some stickers. I got another whole stack going out. We spent yesterday filling them out because we couldn't leave the house. So we ran an errand in the morning, and we've been home ever since because I don't want to drive in this at all. Okay, stickers and subscribes and comments and the things, and hit like, and we'll get back to you when we can actually get out here and not die in this cold. I can't feel my toes. All right, have a good week, and thanks for checking on us, and till next time, see ya.